guys, welcome to my channel. I just got back from the mailbox and I received my second scent box from for October. And my last October box, the bottles I noticed on the outside kind of had some leaking. It wasn't a lot, but it was kind of leaking, so I let customer service know. And without any questions, they sent me a whole new October order. And in the first order that came in for October, I actually didn't like Jimmy Choo. It was fruity, but it almost was like a it kind of reminded me of a alcohol drink, like a daiquiri. It just really wasn't for me, so I exchanged it for Black Opium. I do a premium now, and when you get your second box, your first box comes with a keepsake, and I do have that video. If you want to watch it, I'll link it down to the bottom. But it comes in this your second time, and every time you order from Scentbox, you get a new applicator. And they have different colors that they send you. So the first box that I received in October had Burberry Brit. So they just sent me a whole new one. I noticed that it's pretty full. I've already spritzed a little bit of it. You get 0.27 ounces, and I have I'll link up the notes for you also. This is such a wonderful scent. I really love Burberry. I did a video on the original, I believe it was original Burberry, and I will link that video down below if you want to see that. And this is, I think, a step up from the original Burberry. It's a lot fresher in the beginning, and it dries down to a warm vanilla, but it still keeps that freshness. So the original Burberry, it kind of just goes really deep into the vanilla, but this kind of has a fresh vanilla smell. And in the Burberry, I've noticed that my fiance, so I'm getting married now, he said something like it kind of smells like Play-Doh. And I was looking at reviews, and I noticed other reviews saying that they also can smell like a Play-Doh smell. I kind of get that, but it's not, to me, it's not that bad. I mean, to me, it could be just like my skin chemistry. But if I spray it on my clothes, it still has that warm vanilla flavor. And I've already sprayed this on my hand. And I don't get a Play-Doh-y smell as much as the first Burberry. The Burberry Brit is a little bit vanilla, but fresh. It's like a fresher vanilla. And I'm gonna go in depth more. I'm gonna try these out for a while and do a review specifically on these scents. Now, the one I'm most excited for is the Black Opium, and this is in my ultra premium. So to get a premium fragrances, they're like higher end, it's only $8 more. So for both of these at like $32, I get two like very high-end perfumes. And this one came like this. This is the Black Opium. It's very sweet. I've actually already spritzed it on this end, on this side, so this one is it's not overbearing, like sickly smell. It's very soft. It's sweet. It is still like gourmand to me. I think it's like almost like edible. It smells really nice. I've heard a lot of different things about the Opium. Black Opium. And I think there's another version of this out too that's newer, but it's very sweet. It's very a sweet, soft, gourmand kind of smell. It's not like a deep vanilla. But I'm gonna also do another review on just this perfume as well. This is just my first initial take on it, and let me know if you guys tried any of these, if you have any suggestions on any other perfumes. And also I've heard like Scentbox goes this way. Scentbox, I've heard a lot of different things like that. Yes, it is like legit, or I've also heard that they're not as legit, I guess, or that maybe it's a ripoff. But so far I've had really good, I just had I haven't had any problems with Scentbox, and I'm actually going to go to a mall and try out some of their perfumes that I have gotten in Scentbox and just make sure that it is the actual scents that they're sending me. Just to make sure, because there's so many different things out there saying different stuff, and I really, don't want to waste my money on something that isn't real. So, yep, there's that. And yeah, and also, you guys, if you're interested, I'm going to be doing some tutorials on my jewelry. I make wire wrapped bracelets and rings and earrings, and I also do necklaces. I'm not wearing them right now, but if you're interested in this stuff, I'm going to be doing a video soon on it. So if you are interested, subscribe and hit the notification, so that way when the video does pop up, you'll be able to see it and know that it's ready. This is the rings. This is a real stone as well. It's black jade, and this is 100% copper. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like always, subscribe, support the channel, and hit the notification, and I will put all of the YouTube, my other videos, and Scentbox referral down below. If you click on the referral, you get a free perfume your next order. So yeah, well, thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.